Okay, so welcome back, guys. So again, we are seeing everyone is there, right? Sorry, missing Tushar. Tushar Patel was there. Okay, I thought Tushar Sharma is there. So, okay. So okay, hello. I'm clear, Ajay. Uh,
Yeah, yeah, got it. I can hear you.
with all. Okay, got it. Saurabh and Tarun was not here. Yeah, so we got in.
I think Rahul might be joining back also. I think he
Okay,
was there.
yeah. If he comes, let me know. Okay, means I see means now everyone is in. Nobody's waiting. Okay, so what we are talking that okay, this was the low, and now we are getting low, higher low. Means it's going high, open, way big. Some candles are showing you. That is showing you that okay, now somebody is trying to buy. Means it's institution coming in and that buying it. That's stock changes now. It came back, but it's not going down here. So this is really good. Look for our candle, what we are going to see. Big candle, green candles closing above red. Whenever you get after two candles, this one also buy. Here you get it. Here, not that much. I'm not sure I have set up other side. No, that's not trend setup. So now you can think about buying. Why? Because lowers are gone. Now it's coming higher. Here also small trend was lower low, lower low, lower low, and coming here. When it coming down, you see the left, it's there, and you see okay something changing because it's not going lower anymore than last lower. So that's why we have to wait for that particular time period. Now what we are seeing that last low is taken out and we are now going to go higher low, higher low. So then we have to start thinking that where our candle, find our candle, where you see our candle, you can buy, and then it goes up. So this is how we have to minimize our means if you are buying something which is still going down and if you try to get in, you will have more stop loss hit. You will have more like you buy it and it goes against you. Why it goes against you all the time? Because you are buying something which is going down. You don't want to buy which is going down for sure. Means it's making lower low. People are just booking profit, taking something up, and then suddenly they will take you down. So we don't want to buy those things. We have to wait for higher lows. Once it coming in, then you can buy anything. It will go up. And means damn sure if you do mistake, it will taken care of. Once lower low gone, higher highs comes in. That's why we add this is our one candle, which is a zigzag candle. You can always visualize, right? You don't have to see that, but you can still feel like, okay, where means where it's coming in. But we are adding this to visualize, okay? So we have like, okay, this is low is gone, last low is lower, this is higher. Now our thinking is, okay, what is going to happen? Next is going up. Uh, now, second is a moving average. This is all what I do is adding, just looking my chart, I can see what's going on. I don't have to do anything else. Looking at my chart, I have to know that what is going to happen. What is moving average? So moving average means average, which is maths we are doing. Last number, we can take the one number like we have 20, last 20 candles divide by 20. That is our average. And moving average, why it called? Because once it start moving, we have to eliminate after 20. We have to take only current candle and last 20 candle divide by 20. We have to, and then it, this is all dot, right? This dot Here it was this one, but when you go to next one, it calculate from here to last 20. That's all dot connected to dot. So when you are seeing this average, you don't have to means calculate yourself, but when you see this, what it says, last 20 days things are changing. Now price is closing continuously above this. So trend is going up. That is what we want. We don't want what 20 days moving average or what 50 days moving average, or I should have 21 days or 26 days or 40 days or 50 days. I don't know. Means I just want something which will tell me trend is changing. I need to get into the trend, which trend is going to give me the direction, that which direction stock will go. So this is just a trend. We are adding three moving averages, which is 250 and 20. If you are doing short-term trading, 20 and 50 is your friend. So let's add back those. Right? 20 is already there. 200. Oops. Simple moving average. This is demo of how to add that. So mostly I have maroon, but you can have whatever color you want, right? So I don't want to be focused on the moving average. So I try to be color only one moving average will be 20. If I do like a day chart, I will have main these two averages, 20 and 50. 200 moving average will sometime I will check it. Whenever stock will reach around 200, I want to know. So whenever it comes to 200, all the institution are looking, it try to take it down. I might booking the, it's not anywhere else, but I will try to book some profit at near under the 200 red candle. I will try to little bit get out of it. Once it start closing above, I will see, okay, trend, real long trend is changing now. So what happened here is now it will go up, way up. But our main, when we are doing the means like month, every day, every month, we are trying to get some money in a daily basis. Then our friend is these two moving average, 20 and 50. You may have any moving average you want, but 20 and 50 more people are looking, so this is easy for everyone. So this, once you see these averages, it already taken care of lower low and lower high. It will show you the trend change. This is our trend change already happened. Now you can just hold it, buy it here, buy it here. What you are going to do, these two moving average is showing that we are going up. You just have to hold that. Whatever happen, you don't care because it's still up. This trend is still up. You can book some profit here because it's 200. It might give you little bit more means downturn if it is not real uptrend and just trying to take it up. But once it start closing 200, you don't have to worry about. You can remove the 200 average and just focus on these two. Now what happens here, this two average will tell you the trend, simple trend. This is short term trend, this is medium term trend, and this is a real long term trend, which is stock like, okay, something real positive happening, it will never come here down. If you go an MSFT, Microsoft, it can come down in this too, but it will not going to come down under 200. Very rare. Any good stock, if you go and see, it will never go and touch to 200. It will like touch 200 is a big deal for them. It's always playing around the 50-20, 50-20, because we always trade stock, which is trading stock here, a short term, lower low, lower low, a higher high. It's, we are just going sideways right now. It's nothing, no, nothing going on, but it's still going to 200 is a big deal. Once it's you found that stock near 200, add it to your portfolio. This kind of stock, Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, this is all good fundamental. You know, this is a good fundamental stock over a long term. Whenever you find it 200, near to 200, you can add those stock to your portfolio. Once you add that, forget about no stop loss. It goes up, it will never going to come back. But right now we are try to learn smaller thing. We can make profit once it's above, start losing above. Where if you do mistake here, that will be fine. If you make mistake here buying something, that will cover up. And stock will, I did many time and still I got in the profit out. Because trend, this is your trend trade. You are saying that this is going up, you don't have to worry about it, right? Once it's going up this direction, that's something wrong. When something happening, they are taking the stock crazy. You see big red candle, big one. It's a big red candle. See this candle. Think about the something change for the stock, and then stop. Just hold it, book some profit here. Is start lower, low, lower, low. Now it start higher, high. It's again start. This came here. People try to buy. It's lower, low. Get out of it. You don't have to. Again, it break it. So it's just going sideways. So you can put it this too, that this high it should be broken because it's not doing anything right now. So you should not do anything here. You just hold it. If you have some stock here, buy it here and then here, just hold it. Don't do anything because it's not going anywhere right now. It has to break up and go up. Once it start breaking up, right now it's also first high. It broke the last high. It's good thing if we come here and give you the again buy two red candle. It one more is a good, but if you get a green candle, it will be good buy, right? So that is all. Let please ask me a question if you don't understand higher high, higher low concept. Why moving average? What is the important? Why still uptrend and medium term? This is all medium term. We are this is long term, right? So why is still going up and how to see? We don't want to take a decision on only one thing, but adding all this thing easy to make any decision. So that's why we are adding few more indicators. Otherwise, we don't need. Just look for the higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And if it is going to give you the higher high, you don't have to worry about it. It will be always taken care of. Okay. Any questions, guys? Any stocks you want to see?
So another thing, Mayur. So
Yeah.
when we see a hammer, but the hammer is, let's say, red, or the shooting star is green, do we still take action on that or not?
Green, yeah, means red or green doesn't matter. Where it's occur is a matter, right? So after few red candle, hammer comes in, it close green or red, but it says it goes down and it come up. But it has to be big, means it has to be tail has to be bigger. So it goes down and come back, but not up. After not a green candle, it has to be after red, two or more red candle. If it is hammer, something happened. Hammer is still not that great candle because we are not killing all the cells, right? All the seller. So hammer is good when it comes on going up stocks. That is major good. If it is coming down, it has to be like jump out of that gap down and then it give you the hammer. That will be the good candle. But hammer is just a psychologically telling you it's red or green. It's just telling you stock goes down and it came back. It means there is a buyer there. And decision taking means if you see that, okay, something is there. I don't know if we have any stocks which can give you that kind of, see this. This is lower low, but it's not that low, small, medium term low. This one is bigger here. So there was big buy came in and you see smaller hammer. You can take small risk that, okay, this might be the my hammer because of this candle. And stock is uptrend. See both moving averages above each other. It's really uptrend stock. Now somehow it's not going anywhere from few months. It's stuck here, but stock is still uptrend. You can still take some risk here, right?
Okay. Yep.
Yeah. And just want to add, once you want to do like a long-term investment, your portfolio investment, because whenever I say daily chart pe buy and sell, people start thinking we are doing speculation trading, and we are not, means they are worried about it, that that will not help. But see, that goes to that same concept. Some of the thing you can remove it from them. Daily we are not trying to make it by stop loss here. So what we are going to do, weekly candle, green candle above red candle. We don't have to wait for two or more candle. If you wait, means that is there. If two more candle green, after that green candle closing above, that will be the best candle. But you can wait for the green candle closing any red candle, you can buy that stock. If everything is aligned, it will make you money for sure. This is for like wealth building. This will make you a lot of money. You just have to hold up. You have to book profit, because stock always not going to be go up. It's going to go down also. So you need to know that how much you are going to make yearly. You can book some profit, because you are going to get the opportunity again down. So means whenever it came down, you will get the opportunity. So you can hold for 3 months, 4 months, 6 months. Means sometime you can hold just for a year and you can make money. If you this kind of thing get it, you can make a lot of money, near 200. You can make a lot of money. Near you get like 50, near 50 days candles coming. And yes, second thing, this is a more important point. Daily you can still go ahead and one or two higher high above 20 moving average. But if you can buy near to 20 or 50 or 200, that will be nicer thing to do. Means if you can get the stock near to any moving average, that means it's not runaway stock. It is not gone stock, means it is not having much more risk. It can go much higher if we are getting near 50, 20, or 200 moving average. The same thing, that is a long term buy. So when you want to add and hold for long term, you need to be waiting for near to getting near to any moving average. That if you get a near to moving average, that will be the good stock. If it is way far beyond, it will come back. If it is far beyond, means it gone too far, it will always come back to 20. So don't buy some stock and try to hold for a month. Okay, I will hold this for stock for a month if I buy here, and I will not take the stop loss. That will create a bigger issue. Means it will not going to go anywhere. You will be frustrated for months, and that will not help you. If you buy near to candles, near to this moving averages, will be good for you. So try to buy to near, if you can, yeah, as near as 20. It can come down also. If you are, means day trading, dailies, we can't do the day trading. Everyone is working, but daily chart will be much better for like income trading. And if you are doing weekly chart, is much better for the portfolio building. So you can build your portfolio, but always try to get the near to means moving average. That will give you bigger profits. Okay. And weekly chart, when you are adding with the weekly chart, you can hold for longer term. So when we are doing the options, weekly chart gives me that, okay, that I can go and buy 2023 and hold it and forget about it until I get that trigger. Something really got changed, then I will try to sell those things. Otherwise, I will not sell anything. I will hold those things and forget about it if I am buying 2023. Okay. So right now I am monitoring this chart. It's going down, right? One, two, three, four. If we are getting bullish candle here, what is going to happen? You see one, two, three, four. First buy will come here. This is a Home Depot, or Then if it is goes down, touch it here, wait for the higher high and then buy. But this is telling us that last 1, 2, 3 months, whenever it comes here, it goes out. But you see, it is showing that one, second time, and this is third time. So this might be a not that great, but uh, if it is buy came in, you can always have the stop loss here and buy it. Same is so some of the good stocks just monitor those stock always have that, and whenever it goes down, uh, this vaccine news is taking the stock down. This is a good companies. They are not going to go down always. They are going to come back. But this is the opportunity for a long-term investor once if it is coming back to the 200 and giving you the big candles, green big candles coming near to 200. That will be the good opportunity to get into the 2023 things. Okay. Same thing here. It came 200, stopped, reversed. Now it's trying to go up. It was here 200, around 200. It came here. See the 200 trying to give the support. Now it's trying to go up. A CRM, they bought a means Slack. They came down good stock. It may come here. If we go on weekly chart, you see that might be a maximum here 199 200 will be good buy once it will give you the good green candle. So we are waiting that will come here or start giving us a nice candles, right? So this is all long term. How can you buy good stock on the long term portfolio? This is the way we should do it. One stock coming down, we have to wait for the signal that our signal higher high can come in, or it will give you the good big candles here near to the 200. You can buy for 2023, and means if you are buying option, if you buy stocks, you can always buy stocks here near this one. That will be the good buy. Here we need a big green candle. Okay, we are not going to buy this smaller green candle because we have lower low now. So now these lows are broken. Breaking this low high means going up here is not going to be easy for any stock. Okay. So once it will come here, it will stay here for some time. It need more push. So I hope it will go here and then goes up. So all the sellers will be gone. Whoever buying here, they are waiting now. They are stuck now. It will take 6 to 8 months to get out, right? So once the stock come back, it should be go more down and then come back. It will be like they will be already frustrated and they sell it out. Once they sell it out here and you see big green candle, this is your portfolio stock. But right now, don't jump in it. Yes, yeah, we should monitor it. So Home Depot lows this stock, which is suddenly come back because they're not their fault. They are buying a company, good company. They are making some good product, but we don't care about news. So what we care about, if we are buying here, it will take some time. It is a frustrating time. We are going to add as a portfolio stock. So let's try it. If it is give you here, but big green candle, we need to wait for the green candle if we are going to break our rule lower low, or wait for the higher high. Once it's a higher high, once we'll see the buying in coming in for 1 or 2 times, then we'll start adding. So we want to make portfolio stock also, but we don't want to jump into once it is 20% down. We want our trigger has to be there, that some trigger will come and then we'll go in. We can hold that for a long time because we are not going to have the stop loss for it. We want this as a portfolio stock. This is a good opportunity, just waiting for the good triggers. Okay. Yes, sir. Any questions?
This is Lokesh. So
Yeah.
are you able to set alerts according to these criteria
I
in
can,
TradingView?
yes, I can means you can do like 200 moving average, right? Once the stock
Yeah.
touch 200 moving average, you can set alerts. There is a you have that open it. But free one, I am not sure. Means if you open the account with this guys, also you put some $100 and they open the account and you can use them means for alert and everything. So here also they have the screeners. So good stock, whatever you like, you can screen them, and those stock alerts you that okay this is alert, or touching 200 also means set the screen, so it will send you the alert. There is an alert system here, so those alert will come in an
Okay.
email. You can just give the particular stock, or you can have like all the stocks whichever you like, means make a portfolio in this one, and then have that okay whichever stock is touching 200 or 50 day moving average, send me the
Hmm.
alerts, right? And
Right.
means I was I think discussing with Saurabh how to find the good stock if I don't know about fundamental, right? But I want to do the short term trading. Very simple is go and find the 52 moving higher, means breaking the 50-day, uh, 50 week breaking higher, right? So if it is breaking higher 52 weeks and you start making your portfolio, like I did that all time higher stock, find the all time higher stock and add it here. So what is going to happen? This all, once you make the portfolio, you don't have to buy it. Once you get the alert, you just have to wait. A red two candle, green candle, 3 4 days profit. If you're doing option, you may be making 20 25% per stock. What you are doing, you're not trying to read anything, all the financial stuff. You are trying to make easiest way to stock list, which is having already going higher. So you just have to find the higher stock, which will tell you means this two, this is 50 and 20, right? It is going to tell you that oh this is stock is higher. What you are going to do, you are going to wait 2 3 days higher, this is failure, see. But it's near to 20, it give you the higher stuff. So most of the higher high means highest all-time high or 50-day week higher stock will go up for sure. So that kind of stock, make a list. Uh, let's wait for just wonder every day whichever stock is coming back. Means I was telling that whenever stocks comes down, I am so happy. uh, People may be not happy, but I'm getting happy because I'm going to buy that stock once it's triggered, right? Once it comes to the place where I can see okay left side, oh there was a buyer, some buyers here, this big candle is telling me this buyer are still active, I can go with them. So right, so just
So
make a,
Manish
E-
bhai,
Even
yeah, sure, Lokesh.
how do you set this 20 or 50 days average on this chart?
Just here function. So are you using this trading view?
Yes.
So trading view has like you can add a free one, you can add a simple moving average, but two indicator, right? You just have to add this simple moving average. But what I did is I coded here. So we are a software engineer. So just code. You can add multiple indicator in one. So if you code that, I can send you, means I will send you this one. You can use this one also. I don't know how to share that, but I can share the code. So if you are using, just add the code, your own pin editor, go to the pin editor, create a new, save what I send you, save it, and you just add that. So you can have multiple indicator. They are allowing only two. But if you coding it, you can have multiple. So I add multiple. I have means I was trying to do more things. So if you want, I we can go over here everything, but mostly 20 250 20, and this is our super trend. If you want to add that, means. I was trying many things. So super trend also works. So it's not like nothing works. All indicator works. Basic. We need a basic thing. So you see this green candle, stock is not going anywhere. This big green candle comes in, and this red candle is not going down and coming again up. So what is telling you? You just have to understand that sellers are gone, buyers are came in, and this is a big candle. Big candle means institution is buying, and that institution is not going to means wait for years. That starts means they will start buying more, and then stock once stock breaks all higher and all the resistance, it will start going up. So institution comes in, this see they breaks here so big, huge. So if you make this red candle, this is your stop loss. Your stop loss get bigger. You can buy this candle. This is going up, right? So that is a
Mayur,
simple thing.
does TD allow also to do this Ameritrade or no?
Yeah, we did the coding, right? I sent you this code to you. We
Yeah.
did coding here. So you can do the same coding here. Indicator, create your own code. I created the simple trend following. This is our code, right? So this is coded by me, means for myself. So I go there, just create your code, modify whatever you want to add it. We have arrow here, I added an arrow here, which is just an indication, right? Just an indication to add more that okay, something happening, but it failed here. It's just telling you that something is there, trigger is there, but right. It's up,
Somewhere this
and if
is
you make a mistake here, still going
Ameritrade.
down. Sorry.
Which software is this? Ameritrade, the
Yeah,
one you are using right now?
TDS, TDM, US. This
Yes.
will restart, okay? Means our must be finishing class. I don't know why it's saying, but I got the alert, so just FYI. Yes, so
So Mayur, the key is then long term. You're saying 200 moving average, right? Intersection is the best place if you can get a good candle.
yes,
Same probably applies for the 50 and 20-day, right? I mean, depends on what your strategy is. Then is
50
that what
days
you're
is
saying?
a medium term. This is a short term. 20 days short term, right? And second thing, if you really want to buy a long term, you need a huge big candle down there. Huge big candle has to be there. Once it's a green, good, huge candles coming in, that is your buy. You will miss 20-30%. Okay. People will say, oh, yeah, I should buy there when it was down. But you know which is the down. You need a huge, big candle closing, confirmed closing for long term. What I'm talking. Okay. But 50 is medium term,
So
20 is short term, 200 is long term.
yeah, so go back to the GE stock. I think that's a good example, right? In the last few months, it has
Yeah.
gone up. So if you look at the 200 moving average, let's see
It's
what it did.
broken now, but we bought it here because this candle, what is saying, is saying somebody is start buying it, right? And it's not lower low. Here one, they bought it here second time, and if you go to the weekly chart, they never go back under $5 in last 40 years, whatever years, right? We have. So that's why once you see weekly closing above, this was closing above, right? It is saying that it's somebody is trying to get in stock, and now new lower low is not coming in. Let's get right. Why my target is $12? You see this? One, two, three. This will take huge time. So I'm always conservative. Get out of before $12. Right? $12 get out
But
because it
but
might go
but
$14.
what happens if it breaks 12? Then it's another trend,
Yes,
right?
once it start closing above these candles, and you will get back, means weekly 200. It will see, this is also coming here. this is also having this, the 1, 2, 3, all this align here. So I will book my profit, wait for 2, 3 months, let it settle it out. What's going to happen? We are doubling our money, set it out, and then once it start closing up, we'll get it in again. We don't have to worry about, right? Means same I said this one in other group. See here, I said buy it here. If you get out, you can get out 40 because this one. I am conservative. Means it can go above here. And if really trend change, this will come down and this will go up. Democrat is not going to allow means gasoline thing. They are going to on means we are buying other stuff, right? That's why. So this is very hard to break 64. But if we can just buy here and sell at 40, uh, making good money. And we can means if somebody bought it here and they can come here that okay, I'm still holding. You can add more here and then just get out 40, 44 means because this one is going to take time. It will break here, it will stuck here, then it will go here and stuck here. So you want to wait for it. You have patience. Yes, sure. Right. So what we are trying to do is it's closing about 200 daily. Its trend is changing, but we know weekly has issue here. This will give you some time. It has to wait here. So that's why I'm not much bullish on that. But we were bullish here. That last time it came here, somebody bought it. If you see trigger candle here, 1, 2, yeah, go get in. You can make some profit, 20, 30, 40% easy. But there is like we are always talking about left side, right? Oh, we see the support here, long-term support is here, somebody bought it and it goes here. So something will change here again. But if you stuck here, let's buy something and just get out. Why we want to go which stock is going down from years? We don't want to go in. Make some money and get out. That's all. Not long-term play. Long-term play should be like this only. So if you see in India, you see this in a weekly chart, they will not go down. Weekly chart also, it will always going to show. So you don't have to read all the financial paper. You just go on the chart and see what is going on. I don't want to buy the stock which is going down. This is the stock which never break the 200. So why should we buy something which is it's not working? We should buy always something which is working. I am saying hold Apple
Mayur,
right now, not